Congratulations on your new Permasteel garden bed. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly that you can do easily at home. We recommend having a friend nearby to assist in this assembly. We also recommend reviewing the detailed safety and assembly instructions that can be found in your product's use and care guide. With that, let's get started. Open the box to the garden bed by cutting open the top to reveal all the contents inside. Remove all components and lay them out according to the diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. With the Allen wrench provided, we're going to connect the X-frame to the 4 legs with 4 M6 by 12 mm bolts. Do not tighten the bolts fully. We'll need them loose to align the bottom shelf shortly. Step 2. Attach the bottom shelf to the legs using 4 M6 by 37 mm bolts. Once all the bolts have been attached, tighten the bolts that were left loose from step 1. Step 3. Handling the panels carefully. Insert each panel with the arrows facing downward through the leg indents. Sliding the side panels first will be easiest, then the rear and front panels after. Step 4. Attach the leg flanges to the legs using 3 M6 by 20 mm bolts for each leg flange, a total of 12 bolts. Step 5. Slide the eco chamber into the body until the top edges are inside the second groove of the panels. Step 6. Now we'll begin disassembling the drain plug. Leave one rubber gasket on the drain plug and pass the plug through the hole from the inner base. Attach the second rubber gasket from the outside of the body. Then, place the chain ring on the drain plug. Use the open wrench provided to attach the nut and securely tighten it. Place the cap on the drain plug to complete this step. Step 7. Insert the soil platform into the eco chamber. Place the landscape fabric, making sure the 4 corner holes are aligned. Step 8. Insert the eco tubings through the holes of the landscape fabric and the soil platform until it touches the base of the eco chamber. Ensure the cutouts on the bottom of the eco tubing are facing toward the center of the bed. Insert the eco tubing with the water level indicator in front of the garden bed. Step 9. Attach the leg caps to all 4 corners of the garden bed to complete the installation. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your new garden bed. If you need any additional details, please refer to your use and care guide, which can be found online at permasteel.life. You can also visit the link in the description for our customer service information, and we recommend subscribing for future care and maintenance tips. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.